To be or not to be, that is the question.
Alright, today we about to code a speech recognizer which HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. What's cool is that there's actually no external libraries or frameworks required. It's solely reliant on your browser. It's also incredibly simple. Also, apologies for my ass mic. I have no idea what's going on with it, but it's all I got. What I'm doing right now is just coding the HTML for the project. Again, very simple. All you really need is just two buttons, one for start, another for stop, and the text box where your recognized speech gets put in. To start, we first need to create a variable called recognition, which requires the speech recognition module. Browsers like Chrome support this module, so just check if your browser is compatible. We now have to set the speech recognition settings. We want it to be continuous so that continuous results are returned for each recognition. We also want to grab the interim results. Interim results basically just means that results that aren't final yet. If we set this to true, we can see what previous words the computer thinks you said before it comes out with the final solution. We then create a variable called result, which basically just connects the text box we created earlier to our JavaScript. This variable allows us to edit the text box with JavaScript. We also need to define our start recognition function, which executes each time our start button is clicked. We need to start our recognition module by simply just calling recognition.start. Again, it's super simple. The variable final stores what final outputs the speech recognizer resolves. We need to tell the speech recognizer that each time the user says something, you have to recognize and add it to the text box. The .onResult function executes each time a word is detected. The event that happens will be represented with the letter E. The for loop then iterates through the sentence the user said.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
We finally add both the final and interim transcripts so the user can see what other words the speech sounded like in the final result. To define our stop function, it's as simple as writing recognition.stop. And I realized I spelled continuous wrong. And that's it. It was that simple.